Hormones play a vital role in nearly every aspect of our physical and emotional well-being. They act as chemical messengers, traveling through the bloodstream to organs and tissues, orchestrating a wide range of processes, from growth and metabolism to mood and behavior. When these hormones fall out of balance, the consequences can ripple throughout the body and mind, profoundly impacting mental health. Understanding the connection between hormonal imbalances and mental health is essential for recognizing symptoms, seeking effective treatment, and fostering overall wellness. At the heart of our hormonal system lies the endocrine system, a complex network of glands that include the pituitary, thyroid, adrenal, and reproductive glands, among others. This system works in concert with the brain, particularly areas responsible for emotion and cognition. When hormones are in harmony, the body and mind tend to function smoothly. But when an imbalance occurs, whether due to natural life changes, medical conditions, or external factors, the effects can be disruptive and far-reaching. One of the most well-known examples of hormonal influence on mental health is the relationship between reproductive hormones and mood. Estrogen and progesterone, the primary female sex hormones, fluctuate throughout the menstrual cycle. For some women, these changes can trigger premenstrual syndrome, PMS, which often includes mood swings, irritability, and feelings of sadness or anxiety. In more severe cases, premenstrual dysphoric disorder, PMDD, can occur, with symptoms so intense that they interfere with daily life. Similarly, during pregnancy, postpartum, and menopause, rapid hormonal shifts can contribute to depression, anxiety, and other mood disorders. Men are not immune to hormonal fluctuations either. Testosterone, the principal male sex hormone, also affects mood and mental function. Low testosterone levels, whether due to aging, medical conditions, or other factors, can lead to symptoms such as fatigue, depression, irritability, and decreased motivation. These mental health challenges are sometimes overlooked, but they are a significant aspect of male well-being. The thyroid gland, located in the neck, produces hormones that regulate metabolism, energy, and many bodily functions. When the thyroid is underactive, a condition known as hypothyroidism, individuals may experience fatigue, sluggishness, depression, and cognitive difficulties. Conversely, an overactive thyroid, or hyperthyroidism, can lead to anxiety, restlessness, insomnia, and mood swings. Both conditions can masquerade as primary mental health disorders, making accurate diagnosis and treatment crucial. The adrenal glands, perched atop the kidneys, secrete hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline that are central to the body's response to stress. While these hormones are essential for survival, chronic stress can cause the adrenal glands to produce excessive or insufficient amounts, leading to imbalances. Persistently high cortisol levels have been linked to depression, anxiety, memory problems, and difficulty concentrating. On the other hand, adrenal insufficiency may result in fatigue, apathy, and low mood. The intricate interplay between stress hormones and mental health is a reminder of the deep connection between mind and body. Growth hormone, insulin, and other metabolic hormones also interact with mental processes. For example, insulin resistance, often associated with diabetes, has been linked to higher rates of depression and cognitive decline. The relationship is bidirectional. Mental health conditions can influence eating habits, activity levels, and metabolic health, creating a cycle that can be challenging to break. Puberty, pregnancy, and menopause are natural life stages marked by significant hormonal changes. Adolescents may experience mood swings, irritability, or anxiety as their bodies adjust to new levels of sex hormones. Pregnant individuals can encounter mood disturbances due to both hormonal and psychological adjustments. In menopause, declining estrogen levels are associated with increased risk of depression and anxiety, along with sleep disturbances and cognitive changes. While these experiences are common, they are not inevitable. Recognizing when symptoms become unmanageable is a key step in seeking help. Beyond biological factors, environmental influences can also disrupt hormonal balance. Poor nutrition, lack of sleep, chronic stress, and exposure to endocrine-disrupting chemicals found in some plastics, pesticides, and personal care products can all contribute to imbalances. These factors may exacerbate existing mental health issues or trigger new symptoms, underscoring the importance of a holistic approach to well-being. Recognizing the signs of hormonal imbalances is the first step toward addressing their impact on mental health. Symptoms may include persistent sadness or anxiety, unexplained fatigue, changes in appetite or weight, difficulty concentrating, sleep problems, and reduced interest in activities once enjoyed. Physical symptoms such as hair loss, changes in skin or body temperature, and irregular menstrual cycles may also provide clues. If you suspect a hormonal imbalance is affecting your mental health, it's important to seek evaluation from a healthcare professional. A thorough assessment may include a review of symptoms, blood tests to measure hormone levels, and discussion of lifestyle factors. Treatment options vary depending on the underlying cause and may involve hormone therapy, medication, lifestyle modifications, or counseling. For example, thyroid hormone replacement can effectively treat hypothyroidism, while cognitive behavioral therapy and stress management techniques can help address mood symptoms. Lifestyle choices play a significant role in maintaining hormonal and mental health. Regular physical activity, a balanced diet rich in whole foods, adequate sleep, and effective stress management techniques such as mindfulness or meditation can all support hormonal balance. Reducing exposure to environmental toxins and prioritizing self-care are additional steps that can help prevent or mitigate imbalances. Social support is also a crucial element. Open communication with family, friends, or support groups can foster understanding and reduce the sense of isolation that often accompanies both hormonal and mental health challenges. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Many people experience hormonal imbalances at some point in their lives, and effective treatments are available. In the journey toward mental health, recognizing the role of hormones is essential. By understanding the signals our bodies send and taking proactive steps to address imbalances, we empower ourselves to achieve greater emotional resilience and overall well-being. Whether you are navigating the challenges of adolescence, pregnancy, menopause, or the stresses of modern life, remember that hormonal health and mental health are deeply interconnected, and both deserve your attention and care.